Hi guys, Super Duper Sarah here. Now I'm going to show you how to create the thank you upsell page after we have done the opt-in page in the Funnelizer program. All right, so I am already over in, this is the page we've already created. Now I'm back in Funnelizer. I have decided to use the upsell thank you page. So I'm going to call this My Notes Product. My Events Notes Product. Save page and edit. Congrats, you're in. So what I'm going to do here is say your unbelievable free video, free training video. I'm going to actually, let's go, cut, free video training series is on its way to your email inbox right now. Before you go, check out the awesome thank you offer in the video below. Perfect. And then, sorry guys, I'm kind of struggling with the buy now for only. I'm going to go like this. $7. Whoops. That's interesting. So there's a button text. I've changed the button text, but it's not changed here. Properties. Changes. Why is this not changing? There it is. But I still need to change the button text. Alright, so I'm in the button area. That's the button text. It should say that. So $7. Save changes. I can change that button though. So button appearance. And guys, this is when it just takes some figuring out. Oh, you see, we have two different buttons there. Click here to buy now. Click here to buy. Action, section, action. Go to URL, and then I would make this right here. Do you see this? Where we're going to put the PayPal link that we're about to go create. Now, save changes, publish changes. All right, so okay, all this stuff right here, I'm gonna actually hide. We don't need it. Hide. 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 Oops. Hide again. Keep hiding. Just keep hiding. We're gonna hide all this stuff. We only need it in here once. Ah! Alright, so I still see 2 doubled up boxes here, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to continue to try to hide. Because I really only want this stuff. Ugh, I really don't have to go through and do all these, but I'm going to have to. Alright. But this is how you do it. We're deleting things we don't need. We're simplifying. I'm hiding things I don't need. All right, guys. So we can choose to get all wrapped up and freaked out, or we can just work through it. Working through it, hiding all the stuff I don't need. I just don't need it. All right. So right here, let's change this. I still don't know why that's not working though. I just hide that button, I guess. Save changes, publish changes. Now let's unhide it. Let's show it. Why will it not let me change that? No. See, I don't want to do that. But why won't it let me change the text? We're going to connect this to PayPal, so I'm going to delete all of them, or at least, sorry, hide all of them with the exception of the PayPal one. This click here to buy is where I'm going to put an action. I'm going to go to a URL, and that's where it will go to the PayPal page, the PayPal link that we're going to go create next. All right, guys, so we're at about 8 minutes here. I really don't like to leave it this way, so I am going to keep playing with it. Bear with me. And again, the other things I need to do here are I need to create a video saying, thank you so much for what was the funnel page? Let's see, my man went blank. All right. Digital course creation, how to monetize your Live the Dream notes in 5 simple steps. And click to learn how to monetize your Live the Dream notes. I'm such a dork, you guys. All right, digital course creation. Click below to learn how to monetize your Live the Dream notes. Get access immediately. So, save changes, publish changes. Up here, when I land here, it goes, congrats, you're in. So let's change this so that it looks like that writing over there. That writing looked all red or green. Let's make this one green. Color. Wait, green. Congrats, you're in. Your unbelievable free training video series is on its way right now. Again, with the green. Silly stuff, but so guys, the last thing I need to do now is to go shoot the quick video saying, congratulations, you're in. Thank you so much. Check your inbox to get the 5-step video training on how to monetize your Live the Dream notes. Thank you again so much. But I would like to offer you my end result of the course you're about to take. I have monetized my Live the Dream notes. I have taken Brian Finale. I don't see, this is where I get stuck. This is where Sarah gets stuck. I don't want to take his training and sell it, but I want to take what I have learned from his training and sell it. And this is where I'm still working on the transition. So I'm going to cut my video off and I am going to go do a little bit more work on what this thank you video is going to say leading into the product that I'm going to be offering. And again, I have the other problem of trying to get the numbers on that button fixed. So it's not completely done yet, but we're on the way.